So from Uson, pumunta kami ng Masbate City. So inatid kami ng ambulance ng Rural Health Unit ng Uson. So this is Masbate City. Ito po yung kanilang rotonda. So mapapansin nyo, it's the opening of Rodeo Festival. So the festival will last from June 5 until I think June 19. So open ngayon ng Rodeo Festival here in Masbate City. We're going na po sa Port of Masbate City. Pabalik po kami ng mainline Bicol. We are approaching Sorbito Street. So one of the major streets here in Masbate. That's Liceo Masbate, and we're going to the Port of Masbate City.
Galing Kaliduran.
So mapapansin nyo, ang daming pasahero, kakarating lang ng barko from Albay and Cebu. So yan po ang pila papunta sa ticketing system ng Montenegro.